Vehicles, people, animals, or poor maintenance of your equipment can lead to the development of diseases in your poultry farm. This first episode explains how to set up effective measures to limit the introduction and the spread of these diseases in your farm. That is what we call biosecurity. First, you have to control and limit the access to the farm by building a fence and a gate, and by disinfecting the wheels of vehicles by spraying TH4+, or by passing through a wheel bath. Then, strictly regulate access to the building. Anyone visiting or working in the farm can carry diseases. Therefore, they must put on clean overalls provided by the farm and disinfect their shoes in a foot bath containing ViruNet when entering and exiting the building. As a general rule, only workers, vets, paravets should have access to the inside of the poultry house. Do not show your farm to your relatives. Diseases are also transmitted by animals. Do not let wild and domestic animals roam in the farm. All heads of poultry from the previous flock should be removed before introducing a new flock. In addition, during the growing and production periods, isolate sick animals away from healthy individuals and incinerate or bury dead ones as far away as possible from the farm. Also, set up rodent traps, since they are a carrier of certain diseases. In order to prevent the germs left by a previous flock from contaminating newcomers, clean and disinfect the building between two batches. This process is essential for the success of your production cycle and is divided into several phases that have to be carried out in the correct order and using two separate and complementary disinfectants. After the previous flock has been removed, start by spraying inside the building to kill insects and pests, with special attention given to the cracks in the walls. Then take out all equipment for the poultry house and remove the litter and the waste around the building several hundred meters away from the farm. Then vigorously brush the equipment with water and detergent and rinse it with clean water before leaving it to dry away from any recontamination. To disinfect the equipment, soak it in a ViruNet-based solution for 10 to 20 minutes. Then dry it without rinsing. The equipment will then have to be stored in a clean and disinfected place. In the building, scrape, sweep, and dust the floor. Repair the crevices so the walls are as smooth as possible. Then, if you have one, disassemble, drain, and disinfect the automatic drinking system with ViruNet. Then spray the surfaces with water and repeat the operation the next day, adding detergent to the solution. 30 minutes later, wash the ceiling, walls, and floor with a broom, a stiff brush, and a mixture of drinking water and detergent starting from the top. After rubbing the surfaces, rinse thoroughly and drain the washing water out of the building. On the same day or the next day, close all openings in the building and spray the surfaces with TH4+ using the appropriate equipment for handling this product: protection overalls, gloves, and safety glasses. In order for the disinfectant to work, leave the building closed and following for at least 15 days, preventing access to visitors. 2 to 3 days before the arrival of the chicks, spray all surfaces with ViruNet. Following this last step, your building will be clean and ready to welcome a new flock.